Hey, everyone, Jill here. Today, we're diving into something that could be a total game changer: early medical diagnosis using just your smartphone. If a serious condition is found or one that needs approval for meds, a doctor will confirm and approve the prescription or order immediate care. We've been checking out information from a data engineer, that database guy, and we want to understand how this technology works and what it can mean for everyone. What's fascinating to me is how this combines everyday technology with some serious analysis behind it. Picture this: you're using a simple app on your phone to take medical quality images, so you don't need any special equipment. The system uses the PNG image format because, unlike other image types, this one keeps all the details intact. And that's super important for medical imaging. It makes sense because minute details are essential to the AI large language model. Once this detailed image is sent securely to a HIPAA-level protected server, the app will capture metadata information like the date, time, and location where the photo was taken. The location would allow the AI to scan the area, city, and country to see if there are any outbreaks or similar patterns with other people. Remember, these images are not just about your face and eyes. They can be whatever you are coughing up, vomiting, or both, according to Dr. Ahu of Penn Medicine. Your fecal matter has distinct metrics that could spell serious conditions. When I heard that, I thought, oh wow, that's gross, but I get it. Anyway, when it is all said and done, AI can predict potential outcomes. And then medical professionals can intervene much faster than they could through traditional methods. That immediate notification has the potential to really change things up. This proactive approach will empower people to take control of their health journey. It's about moving from reacting to illness to potentially catching it in its earliest, most manageable stages. To wrap things up, what's the one key idea that people should remember from all this? The exciting potential of using something you already have, your smartphone, combined with the intelligence of AI to manage your health in a much more proactive way. This is not about replacing doctors. It is about giving doctors and patients more powerful tools and providing patients with a genuine sense of relief, allowing them to access medical help anytime, from anywhere they need it. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you for watching, everybody. This has been a production of New Hampshire Social Media Productions and That Database Guy.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. NH Social Media Productions.